Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about the best time to apply for 8-Fig capital. Timing your 8-Fig application, my experience. If you're an e-commerce seller like me, you know that timing your funding is everything. Based on my experience and what I've learned, the best time to apply for 8-Fig isn't really tied to a specific month of the year. It's tied to 3 key things about your business growth cycle. 1. When you're actively planning your next inventory order. This is the most critical time. 8-Fig is designed to be supply chain financing. They don't just give you a lump sum and walk away. They provide continuous cash infusions aligned to your actual inventory and expense timeline. I've found it's best to apply when you're 3 to 6 months out from needing capital for a major inventory purchase. Why? Because the funding they offer is structured around your specific growth plan. You use their platform to project your inventory lines, when you need to pay the supplier, when you pay for shipping, and so on. Applying right when you finalize the projections ensures the funding is available exactly when each expense hits. You want the capital ready to go, so your supply chain never stalls. 2. When you've solidified your performance. Before you apply, you absolutely need to meet their eligibility requirements. For me, this meant having at least 6 valid months in operation, annual revenue over $100,000, average monthly sales of $12,000 or more over the last 3 months. The best time to apply is right after you've had a few consistently strong sales months that clearly demonstrate an upward trend. 8-Fig uses your current performance to project your future growth, which ultimately determines your funding amount. A strong, consistent track record gives them a better forecast to base your higher funding limit on. Don't apply when you're in a seasonal dip. Apply when your business is proven and accelerating. 3. When you need flexibility to handle change. Another ideal time is when you anticipate a period of potential fluctuation or a big growth push, like gearing up for a holiday season. I've personally used their change request feature to adjust my remittance schedule when sales were unexpectedly slow or when a shipment was delayed. Since their repayment is structured as a percentage of your sales, apply to 8-Fig is smart when you want a funding partner that can adapt in real time to the unpredictable nature of e-commerce. You're not locked into fixed monthly payments like a traditional bank loan. In short, the best time to apply is when your business is stable, growing, and you are ready to place a significant growth-oriented inventory order. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.